we have another fun thing that you might like to see. Megan Seals put together a song as a way to kind of remind us of who we are and what we do. And so we just want to take a moment and share that with you.
We are going to share this week on Facebook with you as well, and we'd encourage you to maybe even try this at home or make up your own song. Are you guys ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here at Floris, we are missing you. We got coronavirus blues. Social distance is the way, so at home we will stay. But don't forget to wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Don't forget to wash your hands. You can take this time to pray. Take a breath. It's okay, but don't forget to wash your hands.